listen to the question and answers and improve your English. Subscribe for more.
Hello,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. Where are you from? I am from Dubai. What's your name?
My name is Emily.
How old are you?
I am 18 years old.
What do you do for work?
I am a teacher.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee very much.
What day is it today?
It's Saturday.
Can you help me?
Of course, what do you need?
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What is your hobbies?
I like to cook.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to listen to music.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy exploring new places.
Can I help you with anything?
No, I am good, thanks.
What's your favorite type of flowers?
I love red flowers the most.
How was your weekend?
It was relaxing.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs and toast.
What time is it?
It is 4 p.m.
Where do you live?
I live in Dubai.
What's your favorite season?
I like autumn.
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up around 6:30 a.m.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like play football.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I enjoy a snowy winter weather the most.
Have you ever been to Paris?
No, but I would love to go.
Do you play any musical instrument?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling a bit tired today.
What's your favorite dream vacation?
I'd love to visit the Maldives.
Did you enjoy the concert?
Yes, it was amazing.
Where did you learn English?
I learn English at school.
Can you speak any other language?
I can speak Tamil language.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is future focus.
How's your family going?
They're doing well, thank you.
Can you drive Scooty?
Yes, I can drive Scooty.
Do you prefer books or movies?
I prefer books, but I enjoy movies too.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is The Artivist.
Do you enjoy watching sports?
Yes, I like watching soccer.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Sunday.
What's your father name?
My father name is Dagar Ahmed.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is maths.
Do you love ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is tiger.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week.
Do you like to travel by plane?
Yes, I enjoy flying to new place.
How do you relax?
I was TV or read.
Do you enjoy photography?
Yes, I enjoy photography.
What's your favorite place in the world?
My favorite place in the world is Dubai town.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
How do you relax?
I relax by taking a long walk.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is mango juice.
Are you married?
No, I am a single.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is orange.
Have you ever tried sushi?
Yes, and I love it.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
Are you sick?
Yes,
When will the meeting finish?
I don't know.
How long have you been working here?
I have been working for 5 years.
Would you like to leave a message?
Please ask him to call me back.
Did you get my message?
Yes, I did.
When will be back?
He will be back in 35 minutes.
Can I speak to Alexander, please?
I am sorry he is not here at the moment.
Is there a bank near here?
I am sorry, don't know.
How long does it take?
It'd take an hour.
Have you been waiting long?
Only a few minutes.
Where did you want to go?
I'd like to go to the beach.
Would you like to have dinner with me?
Yes, of course, that would be nice.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am free.
What are you planning for after work?
I'm going shopping with my friend.
How is the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
I am going to go to the beach.
What do you usually do during your trip?
I visit museums.
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I have. I went to Mumbai last year.
How many countries have you traveled to?
Ivy traveled to 8 countries.
How long will you be staying?
I have until the end of the month.
Do you have a credit card?
Yes, I have.
See you later.
Thank you. See you later. Bye-bye.